Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 11 trades. Today's date is November the 3rd, and I'm using my new Pro Trader trading system. Now the Pro Trader has what I've nicknamed the magic indicator. It's this gold line, the TZ, trigger zone indicator. This indicator, along with the super signal indicator, that's the arrows here, up and down arrows, along with this pop-up box. This indicator really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. It's great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now at 6 o'clock in the morning, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the instruments and of course my daily trade plan. That's this daily trade plan right here. As soon as I can open it. Here it is here, pointing me in the direction whether I should be buying and or selling. It's a great tool to have, believe me, as very high percentage of traders have no trade plan whatsoever. And that is one of the main reasons why they are failing at trading. So between 6 and 6:30 this morning, I took a screenshot of this. Now here's that screenshot. And of course, you can take a look at all the trades I've taken down here. By the way, I took all the trades about 5:45 and around 7:30, actually 7:37, right to the minute, almost to the second. I used my close all script, one click of the mouse, and it actually closed out all the trades within the trade terminal. Basically, I was just looking at the totals, and once I knew I was 200 or more pips and ticks. Today there's no ticks, it's just pips, as I'm just traded Forex today. Wanted to show you, you can trade anything that your broker offers you on the MT4 platform. So I did come up with 3 losers here. No trader in the world gets 100% winners, and that includes myself. But you got to keep your losers relatively small compared to your winners. As long as the total down here at the bottom is money to the good, well, then your count will continue to grow on a daily basis. So this daily trade plan is a must-have if you want to succeed at trading. So now we can get into these trades. EURCAD is the first one here. Now everything at this point in time looked like it could have easily gone down, but the market is very random and doesn't always work in your favor. Now, if I would have waited long enough, went back to this resistance area, and it can starting another cycle right about now, you can clearly see. If I would have kept this trade running, I'm sure within the hour or so, this would turn into a winner. But that's okay, I'm not too worried about it, as I'm very happy with the pip total. So let's see now on this EURCAD. Took the trade at this cursor, closed it out. Looks like with about 34. So that's a negative 34 pips, and that's why you see a negative or a minus $2,463. And as you can see right now in real time, there's the arrow. Sell EURCAD 9 a.m. sell alert, but I am done trading for the day, as I am happy with the grand total. So moving right along here to the next trade, Euro Yen, another one, same thing, just doing another cycle. Pretty soon it's going to start working its way down. And this probably would have turned into a winner if I just hang around long enough. But I'm done. And this one here looks like I lost 13. So that's minus 13 pips. And that's why you see a negative $943. Moving along to the next trade, the euro dollar. Now this one pays out $10 for each pip. And looking at the money here, this should be a negative 8. So let's see where I got in at. And it looks like got the sell signal right now. If I would have waited, it's doing another cycle. Don't you just love this TZ indicator along with the super signal indicator? Really pinpoints the cycles. And let's see, 8. So that's a negative 8 pips, and that's why you see minus $800. And as you can see right here, euro dollar sell alert. So if I still wanted to trade, easy to sell. And looking at the meter, the USD is a bus driver. Remember, 80% or higher up, you're going to buy. And of course the pound is a bus driver, as it is 20% or less. So the best one to trade at the moment would be selling the pound dollar. And eventually down here we're going to get to it, which I already closed the trade. Anyhow, moving right along. Next trade I did was the Euro Aussie. Wanted to buy it directly from the daily trade plan. So let's see where I got in at. Right here at this cursor. And I closed it out just being happy. Looks like with about 12. So 12 pips times the money times the 10 lots. That was a positive $816. Moving right along to the next trade, the Euro New Zealand. This one here I wanted to be buying directly from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. Got in at this cursor and I closed out the trade being happy. This one here looks like I got 25 pips. And those 25 pips paid out $1,437. Moving on to the next trade. The dollar CAD, where here we go, another one I wanted to be buying. So let's see where I got in at. Right here at this little blue cursor. And I close it out. Just being happy, looks like with 22 pips. And those 22 pips paid out $1,594. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. This one I wanted to be selling. There's the arrow, taken directly from the daily trade plan. This is where I got in. Went a little bit back up to the goal line. Remember, 10 or 20 pips, many times, especially on pound pairs, will not hold. So you got to give it some room to move. And I closed it out just being happy with 74 pips. Looks like those 74 pips paid out $5,434. Moving on to another pound trade, the pound New Zealand. Okay, on the pound New Zealand, let's see where I got in at. Another one that went a little bit sideways, a little bit up. And eventually went in the direction of the daily trade plan. Took the trade at this cursor and I close it out at this cursor. Looks like just being happy with 106 pips. And those 106 pips ended up paying out $6,153. Okay, moving on to another pound trade, pound dollar. Now this one pays $10 for each pip. Looking at the money, well, this should be 70. So I got in at this cursor right here, and it looks like I close it out with what I said, 70 pips to the good, and those 70 pips times the $10 times the 10 lots paid out $7,000. Moving on to the next trade, the pound Swiss. There's the arrow right there. Knew I wanted to be selling it. Let's see where I got in at. Went a little bit against me. I wasn't too worried about it. And it looks like I ended up getting about 72 pips. And those 72 pips times the money, looks like it pays just a little bit over $10 for each pip. And it paid out $7,099. Moving on to the last trade. Let's see, pound yen. Here we go. See where I got in at? Right at this cursor right here. Wanted to be selling it. Most of these trades, including this one, qualified for a great way to trade. I teach exactly how to trade this way. And looks like I ended up with about 108. And those 108 pips ended up paying out, the money-wise, times the 10 lots, paid out $7,414. So another great day of trading. And I added up all the pips here. Remember, there's some negative ones here, so I subtracted those ones. So the grand total for today, and I knew it was going to be over 300, turned out to be 434 pips, and that ended up paying out $32,743. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis, like my Pro Trader system, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan, a must-have. Now, if you want to get some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video, and you'll see 4 different packages. So I have an ongoing special limited time offer. If you look right below this video, you'll see 4 different packages. Each package is $250. If you buy any 2 packages, you can take one of the other 2 for free. Now, I do recommend you get all 4 packages to help your trading. So on the right side here, we have the Pro Trader system. Do charge $250 for it. Now, just to let you know, I'm not going to read absolutely everything in every package. At any point, you can put the video on pause and read everything. Now, the Pro Trader system, along with the another package I'm going to show you in a moment, How I Trade Live, those are the ones that have the most number of training videos. And on the left here, this is my daily trade plan expert advisor. Highly recommend you get your hands on it. So let's say you were to buy both of these 2 packages. Then you can take one of the next 2 for free. And here are the other 2. The Easy Trader system with the Super Signal indicator. And this one happens to have 3 videos focusing on the indicator. And this one over here, How I Trade Live. This one is over 2 gigabytes of training with advanced trading tips. There's 20 videos in each one, between 20 and 30 minutes long each. Again, you can put the video on pause, read everything in each one of these Word documents. And of course, if you have any questions, well, you just get in contact with me. So remember, there's 4 packages. If you buy 2, I'll give you one for free. Now, within this pro trading system, this one has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now, there's a lot of education. That's why there's 22 training videos that are about 20 minutes long each. Again, put the video on pause, read all of this. If you have any questions, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. And if you live too far, well, you can easily just send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. I do prefer Skype, and if you click on this link right here, we'll have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, hopefully it'll be tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe.